With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friends, question is given here. 4-point charge are placed in the corner of a square of side L. Calculate the potential at the center of a square. Okay, so the center of a square will be the diagonal. This is the one diagonal of a square and this is the another diagonal of a square. Okay, so this is the center of a square and we have to find the potential at this C point. Okay, let's assume this is the A point, this is the B point, okay, and this is the C point and this is the D point. Okay, and here this length is given. The length of this square is L. Okay, so this diagonal length will be how much? This BC here, this AD and BC value will be how much? AD is equal to BC is equal to how much? This will be diagonal is under root of 2 into L. Okay, so this length AC will be how much? This AC is equal to this CD is equal to how much? This will be under root 2 upon 2 L, that is equal to L by root 2. Okay, this will be L upon root 2. This length will be L upon root 2, L upon root 2 this length, and L upon root 2 this length. Okay, so we will calculate the potential due to this A point, B point, C point, D point on this A, B here, A, B, D, C on this point. Okay, and we will sum this potential, so we will get the potential at C point, at center point. Okay, so here we know potential due to point charge V is equal to, we know the formula, KQ upon R. Okay, so here potential due to this plus Q charge will be how much? Plus Q charge is equal to V1 is equal to how much? This will be KQ. Q value is plus Q upon R is how much? R is equal to here KQ upon R value is how much? L upon root 2, that is equal to root 2 KQ upon this will be L. Okay, now V2, similarly we will calculate V2. So here this will be KQ upon R, that is equal to K, and here charge is how much? Minus 2Q, means minus K into 2Q upon L by root 2, that is equal to how much? Minus 2 root 2 KQ upon L. Okay, now similarly V3 will be how much? KQ upon R is equal to how much? This will be K into Q value is 4Q upon R is L upon root 2. So from here this will be 4 root 2. Okay, this will be 4 root 2 KQ upon L. Okay, and similarly V4 will be how much? KQ upon R is equal to how much? This will be K, and Q value is here how much? Minus 3Q. Okay, so minus 3Q upon L by root 2, that is equal to minus 3 root 2 KQ upon L. Okay, now net potential at C point will be how much? V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus V4. Okay, so this is equal to how much? V1 value is how much here? Root 2 KQ upon L. V2 value is minus root 2 KQ upon L. Okay, and plus this will be 4 root 2 KQ upon L, and minus 3 root 2 KQ upon L. Okay, now take the common here, root 2 KQ upon L. So this will be 1 minus 2 plus 4 minus 3. Okay, so from here this will be root 2 k cube upon L into this will be 4 plus 1 5 minus 5. So this will be how much? Potential at C point will be how much? 0. Okay, so this will be our answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.